I'm William from Graco, and I'm going to show you how to install your SnugFit 35 using the vehicle seat belt. We'll start our installation by placing the base flat on the vehicle seat and then pushing it back until the anti-rebound bar touches the seat back. Check the indicator to make sure that the base is level. If it's not, use the recline to adjust it. Next, we'll open up the SnugLock arm and we'll route our vehicle seat belt up through the belt path, across the seat, and buckled into place. Remove all the slack from the belt, making sure that it's not twisted and that it's sitting above the notches on the base. It doesn't have to get super tight. That's what the SnugLock arm is for. To tighten it, close the SnugLock arm until you hear it click. If you hear it click, it means that it's properly secured. To check for tightness, try to move the base side to side and front to back. If it moves less than an inch where the belt crosses the base, you know you have a good installation. After you put your baby in the car seat, you want to check to make sure that the shoulder belts are at or just below his shoulders. Then you can secure the buckles. I like to secure the chest clip at this time. Now you can tighten the harness. Always make sure that the chest clip is at armpit level and you can't pinch any material on the harnesses. That's how you know that it's snug. Now you can click the carrier into the base. Always lift up on the carrier just to make sure that it's secure, and double check the level indicator to make sure that the seat is still level. Now you're ready to go.